Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OnePlus Nord 2T, and let me share with you how to change keyboard language on this device. So first of all, let's open the keyboard. For example, messages or notes, it doesn't really matter. Just have it on the screen like I have. And basically all you have to do is to simply enter the settings. If for some reason you cannot find them here, no worries. 3 dots icon, tap on OK, and the settings will appear right here. So let's tap on it and let's enter the languages. As you can see, this is the list of all previously added languages, so let's enter the list by tapping on Add Language, Add Keyboard actually. And here we've been transferred to the full list of all available keyboards from which we can choose. As you can see, this list is so wide, it's so impressive. We've got all the languages on the earth, probably. So basically all you have to do is to simply find the language you'd like to set and tap on it. And let me pick, for example, the maybe Assyrian. Just tap on it, as it is a graphical language, so you will be able to see the difference. After tapping on it, you can see that you can pick the region. Sometimes you will be able to do it. So let's tap on it, and here we've got the keyboard types. In this case, we've got only one type from which we can choose, but sometimes you will have 2, 3, or even 5 different keyboards. So for example, the handwriting or the keyboards with reordered letters, and so on and so on. It's up to you which option you'd like to use. Just tap on done if you are ready, and as you can see, the new language has been immediately applied to this list. So now we can go back to the keyboard in order to check the difference, and here we've got 2 differences. So first of all, the spacebar is not empty anymore. So right now we've got the name of the language we are currently using, and next to it we've got the globe icon, which will allow us to actually change the language. So right now I'm freely typing English, but after tapping on the globe icon I can easily switch to the Assyrian one. What's more, as you can see, this is the name of Assyrian language. So again, English. So basically that's all. This is how to add the language to keyboard. But now let me show you how to remove it, because sometimes you do not really need like 2 or 3 different languages added. So let's enter the settings, let's tap on the languages and tap on the edit icon in the right upper corner. As you can see, right now you can mark the language you'd like to remove. So just mark it and tap on the trash bin icon. And as you can see, we've got only English left, so it looks like it was at the very beginning of this video. And after getting back to the keyboard, you can see that first of all the spacebar is empty, and we cannot find the globe icon, which is obviously the sign that we cannot change the language. So actually this is it. This is how to change keyboard language in your OnePlus Nord 2T. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.